Hey there! Imagine this. Bob is on the beach and he's completely stressed out. He's waiting for a sunbed, expecting his sunscreen to work, and hoping a giant seagull won't steal his lunch. 3 different verbs, 3 totally different mindsets. If you're still confusing wait, expect, and hope, today we're clearing it up once and for all through Bob's crazy beach adventures. Let's dive in. The first verb is wait. We use it when talking about physical waiting. You're simply spending your time, counting down the minutes or hours until an event.
You're simply spending your time, or even wasting and killing time, counting down the minutes or hours until an event. Wait is physical waiting. Focus on time. Example: Bob is waiting for a free sunbed. He has been waiting for 2 hours. Remember, wait is all about time and the process, and we almost always use the preposition for after it if we are waiting for someone or something. Wait for me, wait for the bus, wait for a sunbed.
The second verb is expect. Logical expectation. Focus on facts and certainty. This is an expectation based on logic, facts, knowledge, or agreements. You're not just hoping. You are practically 100% sure it will happen because you have solid reasons to think so.
Bob expects the sunscreen to protect his skin because it's SPF 50. He has a clear fact.
And finally, the verb hope. This is a purely emotional expectation. We want something to happen very badly, but we have no solid facts or guarantees. The chances might be 50-50, but we sincerely believe in the best outcome.
Bob hopes the seagull won't steal his sandwich. Bob has no facts. The seagull looks determined, but hope dies last.
Wait versus expect versus hope. Wait, physical time or event. Meaning, focusing on the physical passage of time or waiting for a specific event to happen. Key idea? It requires no action. It simply takes duration. Bob's example? Bob is waiting in line for a sunbed. Expect. Logical facts. Meaning, a fact-based prediction where you have high confidence based on evidence. Key idea? You are practically certain because the conditions for success are met. Bob's example? Bob expects his sunscreen to work because it is SPF 50. Hope, emotional desire. Meaning, a purely emotional wish or desire for a positive outcome. Key idea? There are absolutely no factual guarantees or evidence to back it up. Bob's example? Bob hopes the hungry seagull won't steal his sandwich. Cheat sheet rule. You wait for time to pass, you expect when you have the facts, and you hope when you only have a wish.
Now it's your turn. Let's test your skills. Choose the correct verb for each situation. I wait for the bus every morning. The dark clouds are here. I expect it to rain. I bought a lottery ticket. I hope to win.
How many did you get right? Write your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy English tips. See you in the next video.